Hello everybody. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Refworks to highlight and annotate your sources. This will save you all kinds of time. You don't have to print out your document, take a highlighter to it, make all your notes, and then type it all in or scan it in. Lots of time-saving features. Step 1. Find a full text article in any of the Learning Commons databases. Download the PDF version of the article to your computer. Go to Refworks. If you've not used Refworks before, you will need to create an account. Then you click on the Add button and choose Upload Document. Choose the PDF file you just downloaded. Once the file is uploaded to Refworks, click on it once to select it. On the right-hand side of the screen, hit the Read button. Now you'll have a little toolbar at the top. The A in a box button with the black border is your highlighter. Simply click on it, then highlight your selected portion of the document, and once highlighted, you can click on that selection to change the highlight colors or add a comment. The word balloon icon is your comment tool. Click on it, then highlight the text you want to add a comment or annotation to. The text box to enter your notes will appear on the right-hand side of the document, and your highlights and notes are automatically saved, so they'll be there every time you open the document. This should save you a lot of time for taking notes from your sources. See you next time.